ngikuthelele uphinde uyeke pray awuzange ngikudeshele engithi yona plan uzange ngikudeshele uphinde uyeke pray uzange ngikuthelele asitokosgcwele nabantwana welele ebazokhala kwakhokhe zolya engithi yona plan uzange ngikuthelele uphinde uyeke pray uzange ngikudeshele asitokosgcwele nabantwana welele ebazokhala kwakhokhe zolya athatha lona ishiyelo naso